Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Behave and I am back with another video. And I'm going to show you guys how I got these super duper cute customized BT art box nails. So if you're trying to, look good on a budget, I'll show you guys how to get it done. So first things first, I'm going to go in with acetone. I applied the nail tips and everything. And if you guys want to see how I do that in detail, I have multiple videos on my channel and I'll link some so that you guys can kind of get some guidance on where to go. So I just sealed the cuticle. Now I'm going in with these stickers that I got from Shein. I paid like $1 for them. So if you want to customize your nails or you don't know how to draw or anything like that, you can definitely go on Shein and purchase some nail art for really cheap and nobody would know. So you guys, if you want your nails to last a really long time, I keep mine on for about a week, but they can last up to like 30 days. You would just have to apply more builder gel on top of the nail after you apply the nail just to build up the strength of it, and then you'll be fine. So I'm just going in with the stickers and I'm going around my nail to kind of see where the angels and stuff would fit. And then when I find one that I like in a specific area, I go and I place it. And I'm just using my other finger to help me press it down in place. And then you want to rub that in really good. But don't be too rough because you don't want to mess up the design or anything. But these are really good quality nail stickers, so I'm really happy for that. Now I'm just going in with some charms, you guys. I also got these from Shein as well. I link everything down below. And I'm just trying to see like what fits, what I like, what I could use because I rarely get to use these types of charms. So now I'm going in with some gold flake. And I'm just gonna go ahead and rip these into pieces. Y'all, don't be like me. Just use some scissors because that took me forever to do. Now I'm going on top of the nail with builder gel again. And after I do this portion, I'm gonna cure it and it's gonna be really sticky. Instead of me wiping off the tacky layer, I'm gonna apply the gold flakes to it. So this is just me adding another layer of strength to the nail. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the cuticle area because I don't want any flooding and I want it to look as natural as possible. So you want to make sure that you use a cleanup brush, go around the edge of the nail to keep the shape, and then you're going to go ahead and cure everything. Alright y'all, so now that it's sticky, I'm going to go ahead and apply the gold flakes to where I feel it'll look the best. So I just have them shredded up here in this corner and you can place them to your liking. I cut them into small pieces because I didn't want it to be too big because I only have so much space on this BT Art Box nail, well on the French portion. So I'm just applying it, and because the builder gel left a sticky layer on the nail, it's easy for me to place it without using any extra product. And then after this I can just go in and top coat it. So I'm just placing it randomly, just looking around, making sure I'm doing it right because you can overdo it sometimes with the gold flakes, so it's good to be mindful of that. And yeah, when I'm doing something different, I'll come back. Okay, so now on to the other nails, you guys. I'm just going to apply some gold flakes to the ones that I feel could use a little bit more pizzazz or just look a little bit boring. So I'm just applying it randomly again and then just making it fit, pressing it down, making sure it doesn't look too bulky because I want to make sure that I can encapsulate it with top coat and not have any issues. And now I'm just going in with the charms to see where they could go, and I really like the placement of this cross on the pinky. And then I'm using also the Betty Cora nail glue. I like this nail rhinestone glue because it isn't too loose or watery, so you can kind of move your nail around and look a little bit more to make sure that it looks nice. And I'm just applying a little bit more flakes because I felt like I should just add it to all of the nails to just make it a little bit more extra and not plain. And I really like how it was turning out. So I'm going to continue doing that and then I'll be back when I'm doing something else. All right, y'all. So now we're on the thumb, and usually I don't really show the thumb love, but I noticed that people really like decorating the thumb and being extra with it. So I decided to just add some flakes to it. I'm not a huge fan. I just feel like I barely get to see it. Y'all know what I mean? But anyways, so now I'm done with that. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some top coat, and this top coat is from Not Polished Nails. I'm actually running out, so I have to buy some new top coat, and I think I might try another company. I don't know yet. Madam Glam is about to send me some products, so I think I'm gonna be rocking with their top coat for the moment. And I really like Madam Glam's also. So I'm just going in, putting a nice coat. You want to make sure you have a nice layer, but it can't be too thick or it'll peel off. So if you want like an extra glossy look, you may have to do 2 coats of top coat, but make sure the layers are thin. I'm just making sure to get everything covered because I do have the gold flakes and the tacky layer from the builder gel still on the nail. So I'm just making sure to show extra love when I'm applying the top coat. And then I'll show you guys the final look. Okay, and really important, you guys, you want to make sure that you go around the perimeter of the nails every time you apply gel, top coat, whatever it is, so that you can keep the shape of the nail. This is going to basically help you in keeping the shape and lessening the work that you have to do on the nail. Because if you let that top coat or gel, run down the sides, it'll mess up your shaping and you could possibly overshape the nail. So after I cure it, I'm going to go ahead and just lightly go on the sides and the free edge with my hand file and just get that crispened up and shaped how I like it, and get that nail tip off, like when you pop it off of the rack thing. I don't know what it's called, but I went ahead and put some cuticle oil around my cuticles to moisturize my cuticles, and look how cute it looks, you guys. Literally, if you're on a budget and you don't have money to spend on these nails, if you were to go to a nail salon, they would have easily charged you $80 to $100 or more for a French design. Plus, you have the designs on top, the gold flakes, the charms. So look how nice this looks, and I did it at home. Period. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks outside or just in my house or whatever, because I just love these nails so much. They came out so pretty. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below which nail is your favorite. And if you guys want me to do more of these type of videos, because I see that the girls are asking me for Btartbox, and Btartbox has sent me some products. So when they arrive, we are going to take over the fall season, you guys. I can't wait. But I love y'all. Bye.